Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer. In this video we're going to talk about Facebook pages for businesses and why do you need one. So first of all, if you have a business or you just want to open one, you're wondering if you should invest in a Facebook page. And when I'm saying invest, it's not necessarily to invest money in your Facebook page, but it's definitely something that is called time. Yes. You need to invest time in your Facebook page in order to create content and in order to actually show something interesting to your audience. So why is that so important to have a Facebook page? Just think about it. When you want to buy something from the company that you are not familiar with, and if we're talking about something expensive like over $100 and you need to spend it on something that you are not sure is worth it, you definitely will check this company in Google, you will go to their website, and you will probably go to their social media if they have one. So if the company has a Facebook page, it means that they can put all sorts of updates there, and it means that you as a customer have a direct line of communication with that company. It means that whenever you have problem with their service or with their product, you can easily ask them. And that's kind of the thing of Facebook page. It helps to relieve some of the risks and some of the doubts of your customers. If they see that your page is up to date and you're posting constantly on your page and your content looks very good, it's quality content, you're using good quality pictures and good quality videos, your customers are not really afraid to buy from you. So first thing, your customers have a direct line of communication with you via your page. The second thing is, if your page is really looking good, your customers are not afraid to use your products or services because they think that you are legit and you are okay to buy from, because if something happens, they can always have support from your company. And the third advantage of having a Facebook page is customers' loyalty. If you have a website and that's all you have, your customers will visit it and leave it, but they won't be there all the time. Or if you have some important update that you're posting on your website, your customers won't probably see it in time. Only if you're going to send them an email, and even then it's not necessarily that they will open it. But if you have a Facebook page and your customers are following that page, there are more chances that they're going to see your update. Or if you have a sale, for example, that's the perfect place to place your ads for those customers to see. So if you have a sale or you have a product or service update, your customers will receive it first from your Facebook page. And the last thing that I think is very important, Facebook page is a place where your customers can leave you a feedback, and they can also see a feedback from other customers. So if you're legit and your products are good and you're really providing a good service, that's what they will see on your page. And that's how they can probably recommend your page to their friends or family as well. And the final thing about your Facebook page. If you are starting a new business, it will take some time for you to create a website, to choose a designer, to choose a web developer, to choose a website design, but it will take you only a few minutes to create your Facebook page. And with that, you can already start advertising your business to your customers, even without getting a website first. That's it for me today. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please click that like button to support my video, subscribe to my channel in order not to miss any future videos that I'm posting on this channel every week, and I see you next time. Goodbye!